Assalamu alaikum. Welcome back to my YouTube channel Learn Freelancing. I am Muzaffer Rasool. आज की वीडियो में मैं आपको बताऊंगा कि फ्रीलांसिंग क्या है। लोग फ्रीलांसिंग से बहुत सारी अर्निंग कर रहे हैं, तो आप लोग फ्रीलांसिंग से कैसे अर्निंग कर सकते हैं। आज की इस वीडियो में मैं एक कंप्लीट टॉपिक के बारे में गाइड करूंगा। तो अगर मेरे चैनल पर नए हैं तो मेरे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर दें और बेल आइकन को जरूर प्रेस करें ताकि आपको हर आने वाली नई वीडियो का नोटिफिकेशन मिलता रहे। तो चलो चलते हैं लैपटॉप की स्क्रीन की तरफ। 5 in demand freelance services to offer. इन 5 in demand freelance services पेश करने वाली खदमात फाइंड वर्क एंड मेक मनी ऑनलाइन। काम की तलाश करें और ऑनलाइन पैसा कमाएं। ऑनलाइन पैसे कमाएं। तो आज की वीडियो में मैं 5 स्टेप्स के बारे में बताऊंगा, तो मेरी वीडियो को अंत तक लाजमी देखना। चलो चलते हैं वीडियो की तरफ। नंबर 1 इज फ्रीलांस वेटिंग। One of the best ways to make money online is to work as a freelance wait. There are opportunities in almost every industry of need for you. Two previous topics of interest. With millions of blogs and websites publishing new content daily, content and quality waiters or the high demand, many freelance waiting services available for blogs and websites will be include ongoing work. If you get a few clients, you won't need to constantly look for new services. Freelance creators can be paid everywhere. There are definitely low paying gigs that mean it worth your time, but others pay much better for your waiting services. In fact, for some freelance waiters earn 6 figures working from home with a flexible schedule. Number 2 is contact marketing. Contact marketing is similar to freelance waiting, but usually goes a few steps for futures. Most freelance waiters will write the article their work is done, and contact markets will be usually write the contract for outsource the waiting and provide additional services that increase the experience of the contact. Material for marketing: developing a free language, social media services including outfouring materials, region optimization services, Linux building material or comprehensive sitcom. Bloggers he remained silent. Number 3 is copywriting. Copywriting actually involves writing, investing or sales copy. You can create sales page for website owners, create sales copy for emails, branches and other marketing materials, or convert radiates into customers or direct him to some other action, any other type of next produce it such as a subscribing to an email list. Number 4 is web designing. I especially like this because it's how I first started making money online. Millions of small business and non-profits need help designing their websites. Hiring an agency is often too expensive to be a viable option for many small business and non-profits. And freelancers will that gap. As a freelancer, you can charge less than an agency because you have very little overhead and still make a great income. Number 5 is graphic designing. If you have some designing skills, there are also sorts of different services you can offer as a freelance graphic designer. You can specialize in one area of provide a variety of services. High quality designers are in high demand, and with those so many different possibilities, there is no shortage of opportunities. दोस्तों, उम्मीद करता हूँ मेरी वीडियो आप लोगों को अच्छी लगी होगी। अगर मेरी वीडियो अच्छी लगी है तो मेरे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें, और इस वीडियो के रिलेटेड आपका कोई कमेंट है तो कमेंट सेक्शन में जाके कमेंट करके मुझसे पूछ सकते हैं। और हमारी वेबसाइट जेमिनेबल्स www.geminables.com पे विजिट करें। वहाँ पे आपको फ्रीलांसिंग के मतलब बहुत सी चीज़ें मिलेंगी। तो मिलते हैं इंशाल्लाह ऐसी और अमेजिंग वीडियो के साथ। अल्लाह हाफिज़।